So iOS 15.2 is about to officially come out, and I'm going to tell you there are a couple of different things you should probably enable or disable as soon as you install this update. And like I mentioned, this thing is literally about to come out probably 2 days, 3 days from now. The very first thing is if you have an iPhone 13, an iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max, any of these iPhones actually did have this macro mode automatic toggle. And it was a very weird feature. I never really liked it. And within iOS 15.2, Apple does actually add the macro toggle right inside of the camera application. So now instead of going into the settings every single time, if you want, you can actually enable macro mode within the camera app itself. If you don't want it on, you can go into the camera settings application and then go ahead and disable it this way. But this is another big thing you can do as soon as you go ahead and install iOS 15.2. Now, another big thing within iOS 15.2 is actually this new app privacy report. So now this will actually go ahead and tell you essentially which specific applications were taking up, pretty much the most amount of, data, I guess, in a way, of your specific phone. So now you can kind of see a pretty good breakdown of this kind of stuff as well within iOS 15.2. But one of my favorite things within this specific version of software is actually with the iPhone parts and service history. So not too long ago, we saw Apple actually push out that feature or that, whole service program where you can go ahead and fix your iPhone yourself completely if you want to. They'll give you the tools and the parts if you want. And within iOS 15.2, there is a new settings option which will now allow you to see essentially which parts within your iPhone were repaired and which ones have genuine Apple parts, which ones don't. And now you can actually get a really good breakdown of what, potentially is, third party and what is actually from Apple within your iPhone. So that is another really awesome feature within this specific device. Another big feature is within Find My, and this is a really big one, and I would highly recommend you guys to do this too, is that within the Find My app, it'll actually let people know for nearby air tags or other Find My items that may be actually, suspiciously trying to track you or not. Now, this was something that was kind of there before, but now it'll actually let you know if you're being tracked by other air tags or not. So that's another really big feature within iOS 15.2. So those are pretty much the first things I'd recommend doing as soon as you install this software. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.